Hi everyone, today we are going to be making some art with markers and water. So what you're going to need is markers and a permanent marker, a water bottle spray bottle, and then you're going to need a Ziploc bag, gallon size. You're going to need a sheet of white paper. Okay. So with your permanent marker, you are going to want to draw a picture of any kind. So I already drew mine here. So once you draw your picture, now you're ready for the next step. The next step is coloring on this Ziploc bag. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think this marker is kind of running out of ink. Okay, the next color I'll use will be purple. I will be using orange next. And did I use pink? Not yet. Looks like this pink is also running out. Okay. So now that I have pretty much colored over my Ziploc bag, I don't know if you guys can see that well. Yes, let me see. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab my spray bottle, which just has water in it, and just lightly spray okay. So now that you see my Ziploc bag got a little wet, I am going to grab my art piece, face it down, and just gently place it over my Ziploc bag. Gonna gently press on it for a few seconds. Then I'm going to gently peel it off. Now I'm gonna move this up so you guys can see. Now I have created a watercolor effect on my art piece. Okay, hope you guys enjoy making your own watercolor art piece using markers and a spray bottle.